last one here, pass it here, pass it to this place, or any of them like this. You can either use here or here. There's not a strict rule for this. Anywhere, any of the pipe, you can use up or down. They have the same shape and the same measurement. So let me use this one here. So I've got it here. So let's get my spinals, 14 spinals. Spinal 14. Quickly roll it. Make sure it's well tightened. If not, you won't have a stable signal. Okay. So this one is good to go. We'll come to this place. This one is also good to go. Come to this place. So this one is also good to go. So look at what we have here. So like this. So this one now, I can raise this, so I can lose. This one we remove. Remember that one. You can either put this one first, then place it inside. So this is it. Anyhow you want to put it, like this, anyone. So this is how the shape is like. So the next thing we do now is this. It is the same principle you follow. Remember, the U shape, 2 fronts, 1 back. This one is same thing. The smaller one, I told you this is smaller. It is the smaller one inside. We have these two here, 2 shaped U shaped here, and 1 U shape, well, angle here. So we're going to use exactly the way it is. 2 at the front, 1 at the back. So the 2 at the front here, the 1 at the back, you just place it here. No, not properly. Let me. It's going to be something like this. Something like this. Why I'm saying something like this, cameraman, can you come closer? Why I'm saying something like this, you know, you can see these 2 holes here. They're going to enter into these 2 holes here. Into these 2 holes here. Come closer, my cameraman. The 2 holes here. You're going to enter the 2 holes here. You can see. So if you put it like this, you put it like this, wrongly like this, there will not be any hole for it to pass through. I hope it's taken. So make sure that this one is somewhere like this, so that these 2 holes can fit in. So we're going to tie the bolts now. Pass the bolts here. So this one will come here. Can see it here. Can you come like this? So this is it. So let me quickly guide it. So this 14, it depends on the spanner or the bolt and the nut size. Some may be 13, some may be 14. The bigger ones, bigger bolts. So that one is fixed. So remember I told you this one is going to come to somewhere here like this. So let's fix this one first. Let me get my bolts to guide. So this one will come here. Cameraman, come to this place. You can see, guide it like this. So we have one more left. That one will be here. So to this side, cameraman, come to this place. Come and see. I want them to see every bit of this. So this whole here. So come to this place. So this is it. So this is what you have. So this is how you set up the stand. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. You can move it here. So when you're adjusting your dish, so this one is your elevation. Elevation like this. Like this. Elevation up and down, as I told you earlier on in my other videos. So you want to do your azimuth like this, it is a bit difficult, but you just be doing it like this. When you get like this, you move it all like this, like this, like this. You go like this, maybe 7 degrees west or east. Let's say 7 degrees east, like this, like this, like this. So if you want it to upper to face the cloud, you bring it like this. But for something like 68E, you can take it like this, take it like this, and take it like this. So if it is properly set and fitted, this is what you have. Thank you for watching my video. We're going to go to the next stage. The next stage is to mount the dish itself, set up the dish and hang it here. Then after that, we'll start our tracking proper. Don't forget to subscribe, click the times button and support this great work. Thank you and bye bye. Okay, so I omitted something in our last installation, the braces. We have 4 pipes here that you use to brace it firm. Can see, come closer, come closer, come closer, come closer, come closer, come closer. Follow me through. You can see, look at how this one goes. This one will go to this place, wash to this place, down to this place. This one will come to from down to this place, and these two will come down. So with that, you have a firmer frame for the holder. So you're going to come to this place now. When you come to this place, this is the dish proper. The dish proper, this is it. So we have 6 pieces here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the standard factory fitted, but the local ones fabricated, some of them have just 4, but the 4 will be very big. Like if the local one, this will just be attached as 1, 2, then 3. Could just be like 3 pieces, or some of them 4, depends how it's been framed. So you're going to stay tuned. There are holes here. There are holes. So this hole attached to this hole, this one attached to this. These both are not attached to this. These both are not attached to this. These both are not attached to it. Remember, look at how it is fixed. The smaller end here, or the smaller end of this, 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 smaller end of this. You join them together. You join them together with the bolt to form the dish. After that, you attach your angle. This will be your LMB holder. There's a hole here. Put the hole here. Push it to this place. Fix another one to this place. There are 6 holes. Decide where you want to put. If it's like this, so everything will fit in. So you're going to stay tuned while I do the coupling. It will take time for us to go through the full length of the video to couple it, but after the coupling, I'll come back and show you how it will look like after it's fully being configured.